Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Lisa from South Dublin Libraries, and today we are going to do hand painted lilies like this one. So let's start with what you're going to need. You're going to need some crayons, markers or paints for colouring. You will need a pencil, some green paper to make the stem. You will need white paper for the flower, and you will need a grown-up to help you with some cutting out. You want your paintbrushes, and you will also need either glue or sellotape, whichever you have to hand, and your ribbon just to finish off. So let's get started. So take your white piece of paper and you lay it flat and place your hand on it, and you just trace around your fingers. Good. Now take your scissors or ask your grown-up to cut out the shape of your hand. This can be a bit tricky, so you might need a little bit of help with this. Okay, so there you have your handprint cut out. So now with your green card, what you're going to do is use your scissors to cut out a long strip. And this is going to form the stem. So in order to do that, we take our paintbrush, place it at the corner of the strip of paper, and you're just going to fold it in and then roll that tightly right around the paintbrush. Just roll the paintbrush up, and that is going to make your stem. Try and keep it as tight as possible against the paintbrush as you're rolling it up. Just remove the paintbrush out, and you should be left with the tube. Okay, now we're just going to take a little piece of sellotape and we're going to secure the top where we're going to paint the top of it yellow. So I'm just going to place a little bit of tape there just to secure that in place. Get our paints, and we're just going to paint the very tip of our green stem, and we're going to paint that yellow as the inside of the flower. So that's looking good now. So we're going to put that aside and let that dry. And just take up your handprint again. And we're just going to fold the heel of your hand, the end of your hand in there. We're going to fold that inwards and try and secure that with a bit of tape. So be sure to leave a little gap at the end. So you need a hole at the end, so you're going to put the stem of your flower down through there. This bit again is a bit tricky, so you might need a grown-up to help you with this. tape, then you have it in position, and just secure the ends with your tape. Now you have your flower shape. So to make the shapes of your petals, what we will do is take each finger and just roll it backwards around the paintbrush. Just hold it for a second, and when you release it, it will have a curved shape. So just repeat that with each finger. Okay, now take your stem and just pop that down the center of your flower and just pull it through the hole there right till the end, leaving the yellow stamen still in the flower, so as you can see that. And just fix your petals as you like. Okay, that's looking good. Now here's a few more that I made earlier, so we're just going to put them together into a little bouquet. So take your ribbon, just fix your flowers there, and then you can tie them together with your ribbon. So here we have our finished bouquet of flowers. So you can see I've just displayed it in a little vase. So you could make these any colour you want. If you have different colour card or paper, you can have pink flowers or whatever colour you like, and it makes a really cute gift. So thanks for joining me today, and I would love to see some of your creations. So if you want to post them down below, please do, and I'll have a look. I'm looking forward to it, and I will see you again soon. Bye.